A project like this always takes a great team to put it all together.
We were under a very tight deadline for this. Start to finish on this project was going to be about 6 months.
When I first heard that Rocket Mortgage was coming onto this project, I thought, what a perfect team we're going to have making these astronauts for the 50th anniversary.
Most of the time when I'm asked to do a sculpture, I usually ask for 9 months to a year to do one figure, let alone 3.
They've stepped up and they've said anything we need to do, we've got it. We've worked with them all the way along as far as branding goes, as far as working with them on the design. Rocket Mortgage has been a great partner and a great teammate.
This was a pretty easy decision to make. We all liked what we were going after, and we all had the same vision.